What's up, guys? This is your boy Salt, back at it again. Today we will be showing y'all what happened over the P recap. We forgot to do an intro. We were too busy doing other things, but let's get going to the videos.
Put it up, a little sideways. Touch it right there. You built the pipe yourself. You built it
Si ves los tonos, este es más claro, más oscuro, o sea, varía.
Muchos me preguntan en los videos que quién la pintó y cómo les voy a decir si ni siquiera estoy feliz con la pintura.
Ese es el problema.
Pues lo que hizo la mía,
no.
chida.
Sí.
Enfrente, todo lo enfrente.
No, sí, ahorita óptico me dice, hey, vamos al Papo Exclusive porque me estoy queje de la pintura desde que la agarré. Y dice, no, vamos con Papo Exclusive a ver.
Ahorita estoy armando una SS Clone que se ve diferente, o sea, pero es que esto lo hace ver diferente.
Como las bolsas.
Sí. Pero a lo mejor ya bien armadita con todo el kit se puede ver bien. O sea, necesitamos ver qué es lo que tú quieres. Los colores que se van a ver así, todos van a ser Kendas.
Sí.
Todos van a ser Kendas.
Oh, está chula esa.
Ya vamos a terminar.
Así una buena idea me debe también.
Igual la vas a hacer SS, o sea, la SS Clone se ve bien
con los rines
originales. Esta tarde le pongo el kit, porque primero tenemos que terminarla de armar bien.
That one looks good. That's the tail he owes me on the truck. But I think we can still slap that on even if we don't do it.
Yeah. Y esta tiene perla. Esta tiene una perla roja.
Why don't you create a color?
Pues,
Make it fall.
Mira, esta va así, así.
es como verde.
Mira, esta va así. ¿Ves? Entonces, esto hace que el bumper luzca.
Que no se mire tan
Exacto,
grande.
porque esto sí ya ves que ya aumentó.
Sí.
Entonces, como no tienes esto, el bumper se ve bien salido. Y con esto se va a ver parejo. ¿Ves?
Looks good.
Ahí es como debe de quedar. Mira, este es otro rojo. Este es otro rojo diferente. Pero es un Kenny.
Oh, también es
Sí, pero este es live. Este no es Apple. Y ese es el root de eso.
eso.
¿Sí ves la perla?
Sí, no, se mira como verde, roja. Un color como medio verde. shit. We got my boy Optical, the edge up man.
Nah,
behind
You already know.
I'm gonna be a real hater right now.
why we're here, guys, is yesterday I met up my boy here. This truck just out of nowhere, I tried to turn it on. Yesterday, you remember how all day we had that little issue with the gas?
Yeah.
So when I got over here, I parked right there next to the gas station, in between the gas station and this shop. And thankfully, I know the owner of this shop. So I asked him, hey bro, can I leave my truck here? Because my truck just caught on flames. That's why, that explains the fire extinguisher right here. But yeah, literally, we tried to crank it on. I tried to crank it on, and that whole side just fucking lit up in flames. And I turned it off quick, and I ran out there, and the flame was already gone. And I was like, F this, I didn't even want to turn it on after that. So Oscar came by, we tried to turn it on, the truck wouldn't. It turned on, but like we were still scared it was gonna throw fire, so we just said, fuck it, we're gonna leave it right here, and we left it at my buddy's shop. But yesterday, I could feel the issue in the throttle the whole time, but right now I don't feel no issue. So
You already pumped gas?
yeah, I filled up the gas tank. So the issue really started 2 days ago when I pumped gas at Stripes. That was the closest gas station, and I decided to pump gas there. And honestly, I think that was what the issue was, because we were even losing fuel pressure and stuff for no reason. Like, the truck's perfectly fine. I know Flaco left it good. There was no gas leaks whatsoever. Our injector seemed to be fine. We thought maybe it was a stuck injector, but I mean, the truck just turned on perfectly fine right now. You saw it. So I don't feel no issues on the throttle. Right now, I'm about to turn around and hit it just a little bit. I'm just gonna hit it to make sure that I don't hear a misfire like I was hearing yesterday. Willing to bet it was that has gas from Stripes, man. So word of advice right now, if the truck runs good, don't pump E85 at Stripes in Rayford and 99. At least not on, let's say, Thursday. Not on Tuesdays, because that gas was trash. And I just filled it up at the Valero where I normally fill up on 1314 and 336. And I haven't had fuel issues with them since. Started pumping fuel there. I'm pretty sure a bunch of other people pumped there. Obviously the road's wet, so we're not gonna hit it. But you see, you can't even hear the misfire no more.
Nah.
Yesterday you can kind of feel it like, yeah, no, it's perfect.
Damn, it sounds good, huh?
Yeah, it sounds real good.
Nah, yeah, like, yesterday it sounded weird.
Yeah, it sounded like it was like I was forcing it just to drive. But there's another thing, guys. It is a race truck, so we don't have windshield wipers.
Damn.
That's just so I know not to bring it out in the rain, because it is very dangerous in the rain. It never happened. So it was like gas. Fucking bitch. Like yesterday, even he felt it. Like I felt it on my throttle, where like I felt like my throttle was kicking. Like if I was trying too hard to hit the gas. Maybe since the truck sat there and the fuel, like since I filled up the gas tank, you saw it. Yeah. So maybe if the fuel that was in there finally mixed up. And look, guys, Bad Guys Customs. Y'all make sure y'all hit us up for the tints and wrap. My boy here at Broken Garage. We're borrowing the shop right now for today. To finish out a transmission we're doing on my buddy's truck, a 2500 Suburban. I ain't even seen one of these before. All right, that's gonna kind of sum it up for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. We do got some great news. My boy is working on my buddy's truck right now, but we do got some great news for y'all for the next video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I want y'all to take a guess on the comments and let me know what the big reveal is.
Is it behind that truck wrap back there?
You don't want to show them that.
Nah, next video. Well, they'll see the big news in the next video.
Y'all make sure y'all follow the Instagram, certified.salt. And y'all make sure y'all subscribe to YouTube, turn on your alert notifications. And we got big plans coming up.
Yeah.
Don't fall for the fake giveaway comments, guys. Make sure y'all pay attention to those. It's not me telling y'all that. I will tell y'all the actual date for the Trailblazer. We are doing some final touches to it, like I told y'all. So y'all make sure y'all stop by the website, cop your merch, get your chance to enter that giveaway.